You to Global Hospitals and Health City today morning. The special occasion for which we have called all of you here is something we also thought that we should be sharing with public at large, and we thought that this is the best medium of approaching them. We have taken from there to multi-organ transplantation, and we have been doing regularly liver transplantation, kidney transplantation, heart transplantation, lung transplantation, etc., etc. in little time. And then these transplants which go simultaneously, Professor Rela, to give you an overview about how the technology and techniques be perfected.
I think you've got an introduction of what we are coming to talk today. 5 transplants done in, I think it's about 12 or 14 hours. I think it's about 12 hours. All of them have been done during the daytime. It's about maximum utility of organs. There was a cadaver donor within the hospital who was in his 40s, I think, and we used the 2 kidneys and 1 liver was given to two recipients. Liver recipients were extremely sick. But we had also planned a live donor operation on the same day, which we could not postpone because the patient was very sick. So we had to do that as well. Now, it just shows that when the system evolves, very complex work like this can be done. Because if it needs to be done within that time, because cadaver organs is something you can't take your time. When you remove a cadaver organ, and then the right lobe of that split is implanted into a liver recipient, and then the left lobe of that split is a 7-8 hour operation. All of this had to be done in a fixed time in 5 or 6 different operating theatres with a team being coordinated, not just the surgeons, the anaesthetists, the nursing staff, the support staff by 7 p.m. in the evening. And it's not just enough to say we've done 5 operations, actually 8 operations and 5 transplants in this time, but outcome is also important. I'm very pleased to say that all the 5 patients are doing extremely well. So this is what anywhere in the Eastern countries. So splitting a liver into 2 adults, so 2 adults can benefit, was much more complex than splitting a liver between an adult and a child. So in this instance, we actually split a liver for 2 adult patients, which is, I believe, and I do think it is true, it's the first time it's been done in this country, and it's the first time it's been done in any of the eastern part.